The other thing they'll be able to do is actually, if they're a talented developer, they'll be able to write their own AI for these robots, really get engaged with how these mechs actually function.
Some players won't have the capabilities to write their own pilots. That's actually by design, because we want collaboration between players. If you created a company in the real world, you need experts and people with talent. You need to hire them and bring them in. So we want this kind of similar system where we're a syndicate in Supremacy. They need people who are good with accounting. They need people who are good at programming. They need people who are good at social media to push the word out. Recruiters, you need HR people. It seems huge in scope, but ultimately it's the requirement for humans to collaborate to create an organism larger than themselves, which is the syndicates.
You can't really play Supremacy alone. You'll probably fail.
You could be a contractor who writes amazing pilots for other syndicates. That's the kind of thing that could happen, but that's because they're a specialist in their field and their skills are in high demand. Otherwise, you'd have to contribute to a larger organization, a group of other players that need your services.
There'll be a very healthy market of pilots. So if I'm a great developer of these kind of pilots, I'm going to build them out and I'm going to sell them.
You're creating value, and to create this value, you need to pay someone to help you, perhaps in subs, or like in DAOs of today, people contribute equally, just because they want to. No need for compensation. Ultimately, what happens is that people will collaborate so they can win this game.
Yeah, and the people who are the best at this will rise to the top. Yeah, that's life.